Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to accept payments with Stripe Terminal in person. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to accept payments with Stripe Terminal in person, you can use either a physical card reader connected to a mobile device or a computer, or simply tap to pay feature on the compatible iPhone or Android device for contactless payments. You need to set up your Stripe account, register a reader in the Stripe dashboard, and then use the Stripe mobile app to initiate a charge. The customer then pays their contactless card or mobile wallet on the reader or your device to complete the payment. So by doing this, you can simply accept payments with Stripe Terminal in person. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon, so stay tuned and wait for our next video.